What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, this is an awesome performance from Tesla. This thing has confirmed, as we were talking about yesterday, provided we hold support at certain levels and we break through those levels. That we'll talk all of that in this video. Tesla has set itself up with a good really bottom base, and this thing has much more potential to just keep going up and up and up from here, guys. This is looking awesome to me. I'll also show you options data. Just like always, traders are trading crazy directions with no correlation to the technicals. And also we have today, well, I'll talk some articles as well on Tesla. I'll show you some of my bots as well, how they did on Tesla today. And yes, Microsoft. Just real quick, I'll do a complete separate video on these, but Microsoft had their earnings. Look at the price in the post market. I'll do a separate video, as I said, on QQ and SPY and all these tech stocks. Microsoft going up. What did I did with my position that I had on the short side? I'll talk about that as well in my another video that I'll be doing. And as you know, I have been sizing out on in the profits with Microsoft. And well, Google, guys, look at this thing, 176. And well, Google has a lot of stuff to talk about actually, guys. This is a complete wow up here. This is where it is now. Wow, crazy. But as I said, I'll talk about this in another video when I do later today. So let's focus back. Oh well, I just want to show you Nvidia as well in the post market. This thing is also breaking some levels now. It's at 843. I'll do another video on Nvidia later today. So a lot of stuff to talk about, guys, there as well. So all right. Right, so in this video, guys, let's focus on Tesla and let's go through the things, right? This is hourly interval and Tesla is looking awesome, yay! All right, so what I want to first do is, before jumping into the technicals, just want to show you around a little bit. So this is my day trading bot. This is, look at it, great performance, great buying positions that we have been getting. Look at it today. At all extreme peaks, we got the profitable signals. On the left side, you can see the last 30 trades of data. This is looking great. You can see profitable, net profitable, right? Again, these are just educational tools, guys. Use them at your own risk if you want to. And I use them for my trading, but these are only for education purposes. There is a guarantee of nothing. There are red days as well, right? So anyways, I'm loving it, net profitable. And on 30 minutes where my swing bot runs, look at the positions. We got the buy position right couple of days ago, and look at it, the profit we are in right now on the open position. And this is the last 30 trades of data. You have to understand that Tesla has been downtrending and my swing bot still has been able to be net profitable even in the downtrend for the buying side. So I mean, I'm happy. Now things are becoming uptrending on Tesla and I just can't wait to see the performance now. You can see current open position is already in so much money, and yeah, and as Tesla is becoming now to the uptrend, I expect this thing, when it can make money in the downtrend, in the upside, I'm just waiting for this to just print money now. But anyways, just an educational tool, nothing more than that. There's guarantee of nothing. You can see red trades as well, okay? Cool. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. Only educational tools, these are, nothing more than that. There's, as I said, guarantee of nothing, okay? So all right, let's get rid of that. And when I say get rid of that, just that the line that I drew there. But okay, guys, so let's go to the technicals here. And then well, guys, before actually technicals, I was actually reading one article today, and this is Ron Barron calls the bottom in Tesla stock. And I agree with him actually on this one, and he says it will go up huge. Well, so the thing is that Elon has said the sentiment already that they're not scrapping off the cheaper models. They're going to build them on the current lineup so that they're out faster. And Robotaxi, August 8th. Put that on your calendar, guys. So all in all, sentiment is looking great, and not just sentiment. Now let's talk about the technicals, guys. So technicals are looking awesome as well. What I talked about from last couple of days is this is the level $160 to $163. Once we get out of it, we are out of these major resistance and out of the flush zone already, and Tesla has confirmed today as well the change of structure that it was already doing that I was talking about, guys. The structure has already changed though. This is just an extra confirmation that I want to see closing above $164 today. I told you that even if we do a pullback back to 152, that is just a pullback in a structure that is becoming to the upside. And look at it, guys. This is awesome. I want to show you hourly interval as well here. Why so? Because I talked about that, guys. As long as we are even holding ourselves above these levels like 157 or so, any pullback on these is still good. It's just a buy, okay? Well, guys, I mean, my swing bot has already given a buy on this and this thing has been going up, but my bot gave the buy position in $150 range. So yeah, that's awesome. Now I'm loving it. Look at the thing, guys. All right, I want to show you before we go into much more technicals what I'm thinking, what my expectations are on Tesla stock in the price action. Weekly interval, guys, this is looking great. Tomorrow is the last day, Friday, but what Tesla has done is it has engulfed. This will be the bullish engulfing candle on the weekly. This one here, engulfing a big red candle from the past and fully engulfing it right on the weekly interval. This is like a massive bullish weekly bullish engulfing candle, like, and we have already gotten above the resistance pivot on the weekly. This just looks amazing right now. 172 and 60 cents. Tesla is already engulfed the previous red weekly candle. Guys, I mean, when was the last time on the weekly interval did Tesla engulf a this big of a red candle? I can't see it. Like, Tesla is engulfing this red candle like fully with the green candle on weekly, which is a big red candle, not a small one. I don't see any of it. I don't see any of such engulfing, bullish engulfing candles. Nope. Guys, this is going to be awesome. This is going to be an awesome turn around on Tesla, I'm telling you. Again, nothing is guaranteed. Stop loss needs to be there regardless of the positions, whatever you want to take, it's up to you. But the sentiment is looking great to me on Tesla. It's a bullish sentiment. At this point, the only direction is to go up. Tesla is any pullback at this point to the level of 164 or even the level of 168 is just a pullback. It's not bearish. It's still bullish. Guys, I mean, it's simple, easy peasy. Technicals. I love it when technicals are easier because we are in the direction, structure is confirmed, at least to me. You agree with me or not, it's up to you. Again, there is guarantee of nothing. Structure can, if it wants to break, it can break, right? But accordingly, what I say is that the stop losses, the positions needs to be taken. I just showed you on my bots as well. They are losing days as well. So it's all about becoming net profitable. And that's what bots also do, that once the structure breaks, it just gives the get out signal, so minimizing the losses. And so, but yeah, that's the way to trade. Pick up the structure and trade in that direction. So guys, awesome, looking like we are in the uptrend, right? As I said, pullback to even at 164 is just a pullback on this, or even at 168 is just a pullback on this. That's not a bearish thing. Intraday you can trade, long and short. That's, you can also use my day trading levels plus for that. But all in all, things are looking awesome to me, guys. We have gotten out of this resistance zone of $160 after a good consolidation, meaning this is a really good support now. I mean, I just can't see a single thing to the downside on Tesla at the moment on the swing side. It's looking great to me, guys. It's looking great. All right. Now I want to take you. So, well, tomorrow, I mean, like we are already forming that bullish engulfing candle on weekly. If tomorrow we can also close above 175 or above 50 days moving average, oh, that's just awesome. That is going to be awesome, guys. So, but yeah, Tesla is bullish, period. Okay. Now what? I want to show you the options data, and here's the funny thing. Okay, well, first of all, bright green are the today's calls option, dark greens are the previous day's calls options, bright red is the today's puts option, and orange, actually I want to just change the color a little bit. Orange is from the previous day's puts option. So white is the today's closing price range, okay, line, and then other gray lines here are the ones from the previous day's closing price. So Calls are printing money. I'm also seeing that $175 calls have been increasing. Most likely they will print the money tomorrow again. I think zero date expiration options will come quite a lot around 175, just my opinion. Surprisingly and shockingly, traders are still, you can see they're still, technicals have confirmed bullish, but options traders are still trying to buy the puts. I can't believe even today, look at the increase in the puts at 150 and they just lost their money. These are the expirations for the end of this week. So these puts are going to be cooked, guys. These puts going to be cooked. All right, just like always, I mean, not always, but technicals just aren't confirming to the downside, and I don't know why options traders are trying to still trade the puts in this huge quantity. Like calls are less here at 180, but I'm like, these can print more money tomorrow than these puts. I don't know why puts are increasing. Guys, technicals are looking great. Tesla is bullish, and that's for this video on Tesla, guys. Looking great and awesome. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I'll be doing NVIDIA later today after doing QQQs by Microsoft, Google. We gotta cover that as well, right? So today they had their earnings. So, all right, a lot more videos will be coming out, guys. With that, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, as I said, links are in the description below. Bye.